Kevin Sheerin here to talk to you about a psychological disqualification for a civil service job. I'm a retired captain from the NYPD. I've been helping candidates appeal their disqualifications for 14 years. What is a psychological disqualification? Basically, it comes down to it's the opinion of an agency doctor that you're unsuitable for the job you're trying to get. Are those doctors always right? No. They're not always right because appeals have been won over the years. What are some of the issues that could get you disqualified? Well, they can go back to your early education and see if you had difficulties in school, whether it be a learning difficulty, a ADHD issue, some behavioral issue, going all the way back to your early years. Other issues that could come up is work problems. Maybe you've got suspended or fired from a job, or maybe you had problems in secondary education in college. You had some difficulty with taking time off, or maybe you had work or family issues. These could all get you disqualified. You would get in the mail a letter. Under New York state law, the agency is required to give you what's called a notice of proposed disqualification. When you get that letter, you should take action right away. If you wait, it's going to be too late to get the agency's file and to mount a successful appeal. It's also important that you pick a doctor that's familiar with the process. The best practice is to have a doctor and an attorney that does this type of work on your team if you are to be successful. The doctor would get the agency's file, review it, and interview you, talking about the issues that were raised in the disqualification in the hopes of writing a rebuttal report. Often the agencies will have a hearing or a trial which may last an hour and a half to 2 hours, and obviously if you want to do your best job, an attorney and a forensic psychologist familiar with the process and familiar with the issues involved in disqualification would be best suited to help you. As soon as you get a disqualification letter, give me a call at 888-998-9984 or an email, kevin@sheerinlaw.com, SHEERINLAW.com, to discuss your options in appealing your disqualification. This has been Kevin Sheerin speaking to you about psychological law enforcement disqualifications. Thank you.